Hi folks, I'm Dr. Andrew Colson, and today I'm continuing to talk about the secrets of how I address peripheral neuropathy in my office. One of the most common questions I get is, how did I develop this autoimmune condition? Well, it's pretty much genetics and the environment. It's a matter of which came first, the chicken or the egg. We all know that genetically you may be at risk for developing certain problems and or conditions. Then there are the environmental factors, one of them being chemicals such as cigarette smoke. There are over 519 chemicals in cigarettes, and here are just a few of them. The TSNAs, or the tobacco-specific N-nitrosamines, are known to be some of the most potent carcinogens present in smokeless tobacco, snuff, and tobacco smoke. Benzene can be found in pesticides and gasoline. It is present in high levels in cigarette smoke and accounts for half of all human exposure to this hazardous chemical. Pesticides are used on our lawns and gardens and inhaled into our lungs via cigarette smoke. Formaldehyde is a chemical used to preserve dead bodies and is responsible for some of the nose, throat, and eye irritation smokers experience when breathing cigarette smoke. So chemicals can trigger an autoimmune response, like the latest chemical that's hit the news, BPA. This is a very nasty chemical called bisphenol A. It's used in a lot of plastics, and BPA is extremely bad for thyroid health. It can trigger autoimmune Hashimoto's thyroiditis, or autoimmune thyroid. Rocket fuel is another. You heard it correctly. I said rocket fuel. You may ask, how am I exposed to rocket fuel? Well, studies have shown that 30 to 40% of women in America have remnants of rocket fuel in their body. It gets into the groundwater. It stays there for a very long time. And one of the biggest triggers for an autoimmune thyroid is iodine. When it comes to Hashimoto's autoimmune thyroid, iodine is probably the biggest trigger. Chemicals such as pesticides can trigger an autoimmune response, as can toxins in household products like DEET in insect sprays or heavy metals in vaccines. If you'd like to address these concerns by partnering with us, please call our office at 763-494-0828 to schedule your exam. We hope to see you soon.